The semiconductor is regarded as the most sensational technological advancement of the 20th century. The automobile has become the essential product of the modern people, as it has been manufactured with cutting-edge technology. The semiconductor and automotive industry of South Korea are advancing by leaps and bounds, literally showing the best level around the world. Shinkee Industry, the company of which the specialization sectors are semiconductor equipment and automated mold parts. Shinkee Industry is a company manufacturing equipment parts and molds, which are essential for the semiconductor and automotive industry. Shinkee Industry has been a leader of the semiconductor and automotive industry of South Korea by solely concentrating on the industry and has contributed to the industry to become the world-renowned sector. Shinkee Industry was established in 1994 and has developed semiconductor facilities and equipment, as well as vacuum components with its own technology. Also, the company has supplied products to major domestic semiconductor companies such as Samsung Hynix Semiconductor, LG Siltron, LG Display, etc. In particular, Shinkee Industry realized the localization of products which previously depended upon imports, since there was no technological sources in South Korea. Thus, the company could become the remarkable leader of the domestic semiconductor facility and component market. Currently, the production side of the company, which is more than 6,300 pyong in width, has enhanced production efficiency and simplified the logistics process, which contributed to the enhancement of production competitiveness. Also, the production site has the one-stop production facility that enables the manufacturing of semiconductor vacuum components. This is the most splendid production facility of South Korea and also has a competitive advantage for the global market. Shinkee Industry will continuously make efforts to become the world's best company by developing its own technology and making investments. Now we introduce the products manufactured with the own technology of Shinkee Industry. First of all, the company is producing vacuum components used for the semiconductor exclusive line and semiconductor pipe, etc. Also, the various products such as clamps, flanges, center ring bellows, etc. are manufactured by the company. Not only semiconductor components, but also semiconductor equipment parts, such as urethane rollers, which are used for photovoltaic sapphire, etc., are produced by the company. Moreover, semiconductor equipment parts such as spindles, urethane pulleys, etc. are also being produced. The splendid product quality of these products is being recognized in the international market as well as the domestic market. Automated molds, the other remarkable business sector of Shinkee Industry. For automated molds, Shinkee Industry has accumulated its own know-how in the local market, of which the major competitors are mostly small-sized original equipment manufacturers. The company has its own integrated production system that has material processing, discharging, heat treatment, and wire production, which cannot be equally compared with other companies' production systems. Moreover, the heat treatment manufacturing system for promoting the heat treatment business is added to the integrated production system, which will become the growth engine as a new business item. The biggest competitiveness of Shinkee Industry is that the company has established an innovative working environment by continuous and decisive investments in its facilities based on the long tradition of the company. The integrated production system, from the material warehousing to the processing, can be the basis for manufacturing the best product before the date of delivery deadline. And the latest facilities of manufacturing, inspection, processing, etc. for each sector have also contributed to the realization of a pleasant and splendid working environment, which is essential for precise processing. Moreover, the research institute of the company is the basis for the development of new technology. All of these endless and continuous efforts for manufacturing the best product are contributing to the maintenance of Shinkee Industry's fame as a leader of the semiconductor components localization. Hence, the sales of Shinkee Industry increased rapidly, and also the company has accomplished the eye-catching results in the global market. Creative thinking for the research by forecasting the future. Bold determination for making investments in advance with aiming the innovation. These positive aspects have made the history of Shinkee Industry by the belief for leading the world with the advanced technology. Shinkee Industry has supported the semiconductor and automotive industry of South Korea and will make the continuous efforts for the better future, not being satisfied with the current status. Shinkee Industry, the company for the better future. Thank you.